Managing your shipping addresses on Amazon is essential for smooth online shopping. Amazon provides two convenient ways to add and manage your addresses through a desktop browser or the mobile app. On desktop, start by signing into your Amazon account. Navigate to Account and Lists, then click on your account. You'll see various account options displayed as boxes. Look for the Your Addresses option, which is highlighted here with an orange border. This box includes a house icon and shows the description: Edit addresses for orders and gifts. After clicking your addresses, you'll see an Add Address button. Click it to open the address form. Fill in all required fields, including country, full name, phone number, street address, city, state, and zip code. The form includes fields for your country, full name, phone number, and complete address details. Make sure all information is accurate to ensure successful deliveries. The mobile app method is equally straightforward. Open the Amazon app and sign in. Then tap the menu with three horizontal lines. Navigate to your account, then your addresses, and tap Add Address. When adding an address, you can choose to set it as your default shipping or billing address. The default shipping address is automatically selected for new orders, while the billing address is used for payment processing. Amazon has enhanced its mobile interface to make address management more intuitive. You can now quickly switch addresses during checkout without navigating through full account settings, as shown in this checkout screen. Whether you use desktop or mobile, Amazon's address management system is designed to be user-friendly and efficient. Regular address updates ensure smooth deliveries and a better shopping experience. Effective Amazon address management starts with following key best practices that can save you time and prevent shipping issues. Setting and managing your default address is crucial for smooth ordering. Amazon makes this easy with clear interface options. Amazon is leveraging artificial intelligence to make address management smarter and more intuitive based on your shopping patterns and location data. Amazon has integrated address management with Alexa devices, allowing you to change shipping addresses using simple voice commands. Amazon business accounts offer advanced address management features, supporting up to 100 different shipping addresses with role-based permissions for team management. Amazon is focusing on sustainability by promoting consolidated shipping addresses to reduce environmental impact, while developing future features like AI-powered seasonal address suggestions and enhanced postal service integration. By following these best practices and staying informed about new features, you can optimize your Amazon address management for efficiency, convenience, and environmental responsibility.